Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a loading spiral like this. You can see in the my web page here a loading spiral animation like this. So to make this loading spiral like this, we'll use HTML and CSS. So come to our VS Code. Here in VS Code, I have my HTML file and my CSS file. Here you can see. So in my HTML file, first of all, I have written my basic structure of HTML. In that, I have taken the title loading spiral, and after that, I have linked my CSS file. You can see my CSS file is here. In body tag, I have taken a div with class spiral. In this div, I have taken 16 span tags. You can take whatever, how many you want, depend on you and your code. So here I have taken 16 span tags. So after doing this, that much of code in HTML, now we'll go for CSS file. In CSS file, I have taken for all web page padding 0, margin 0, and in body tag I have taken the display flex. So it's so in flex. So justify content center, align item center, and minimum height I have taken 100 VH in the web page, and I have taken a background color code. So I can show you, here is our background color code. So after that I have target my class spiral. Here in our HTML file we have the class spiral. So in class spiral I have taken height 306 pixel. After that I have taken width 306 pixel, and after that I have taken transform style. It should be transformed into preserved 3D. It should be in 3D form. So after that I have taken the transform. It should be in that I have taken perspective 500 pixel, and it will rotate in x 60 degree. So after doing this, come to our span tag. Here in our class spiral, under this we have taken many span tags. So now we are going to target our span tag in our class spiral. So in that I have taken position absolute, display block, and after that I have taken border 3 pixel solid and a color code similar to green. So after that I have taken border radius 50%, and I have taken a box shadow 0 pixel and 5 pixel and 0 pixel blur, and after that I have taken a color code for the box shadow, and after that I have taken a animation. For the animation I have taken the name animate, and it should be 3 second, is in out and infinite. So after doing this, now we will target with keyframes our name animate. So for doing animation at 0% and 100%, I have taken the transform in transform I have taken translate Z minus 100 pixel. In Z axis I have taken minus 100 pixel, and when at 50% I have taken the transform translate Z 100 pixel. After doing this, I have taken the class spider. In that I have the span tag. In that I have taken the first child. So we are going to target all the span tags. Like I have taken 16 span tags. So one by one I am going to target each child. 1, 2, 3, 4 till 16. You can see here. Till 16 I am going to target my all span tags. So for first step span tag I have taken insert 0, animation delay 1.6 second, and insert 10 pixel for the second child, and animation delay 1.5 second. Now in third child I have taken the insert 20 pixel, animation delay 1.4 second, and in fourth child I have taken the insert 30 pixel and animation delay 1.3 second. Similarly, we are going to target our fifth child. In fifth child, we have taken insert 40 pixel, and after that I have taken the animation delay 1.2 second. Now we are going to target our sixth child. So in sixth child, I have taken insert 50 pixel and animation delay 1.1 second. Now in seventh child, I have taken insert 60 pixel, animation delay 1 second. Now we have taken our 8th child. 8th child we have taken insert 70 pixel and animation delay 0.9 second. In 9th child I have taken insert 80 pixel and animation delay 0.8 second. In my 10th child I have taken insert 90 pixel, animation delay 0.7 second. In 11th child I have taken insert 100 pixel and animation delay 0.6 second. Now come to our 12th child. I have taken insert 110 pixel and animation delay 0.5 second. Similarly, we are going to take 13th child, and in that I have taken the insert 120 pixel and animation delay 0.4 second. Similarly, come to our 4th, 15th and 16th child. Similarly, we have to take the insert 130 pixel in 14th child and animation delay 0.3 second. Similarly, we can write insert 140 pixel for the 15th child and animation delay 0.2 second for the 15th child. Now for the 16th child, we have taken insert 150 pixel and animation delay 0.1 second. You can write this code in our own way to create a different type of animation like this with different animation delay and styles and colors. So after writing that much of code, you will get a beautiful loading spiral animation like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.